In 1975, the United Nations General Assembly adopted a resolution, 3379, asserting that Zionism, the national liberation movement of the Jewish people, is a form of racism and racial discrimination. This was adopted only a year after the Palestinian Liberation Organization received permanent observer status in the United Nations General Assembly. The passing of this resolution results from the voting patterns of the UN's automatic majority. The UN automatic majority is essentially a voting bloc that constitutes the majority of states within the UN General Assembly that, by precedent, tends to vote in favor of any resolution that aims to criticize and/or condemn Israel. At the core of this bloc stand 22 Arab states who have led the campaign of denouncing Israel's right to exist. By presenting the Arab-Israeli conflict as a struggle which involved the worldwide Islamic community, this bloc extends their influence to the voting patterns of 56 Muslim states. Furthermore, as a result of the Cold War environment, Israel's close alliance with the USA led to the Soviet Union, their allies, and a majority of the developing world that was aligned with the USSR to join this anti-Israel voting bloc. In an address to the United Nations General Assembly, the Israeli ambassador Chaim Herzog negated the claim that Zionism is a form of racism by demonstrating its inapplicability to the Israeli state. He pointed to the Arab ministers in the Israeli government, Arab commanders in Israeli military and police forces, and the peaceful coexistence between Jews and Arabs within the state of Israel. He concluded the speech by saying, "For us, the Jewish people, this resolution based on hatred, falsehood, and arrogance is devoid of any moral or legal value. This is no more than a piece of paper, and we shall treat it as such." He then famously tore the resolution in half. This anti-Israel resolution was revoked in 1991.